My name is Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Today's lesson is very special. I'm teaching an art class to one of my friends. He is an eraser. Will you join us? Hello, Pink.
Hi, Violet.
Pink has never drawn before. He only knows how to erase things. I'll teach him how to draw. Here, this is paper. These are crayons. Draw a tree. Wonderful! That's a blue tree. Don't draw a blue tree. Draw a green tree. Look. Very good, Pink. Okay, Pink. Now draw a butterfly. Butterflies should be colorful. Here, this is an orange crayon. This is a purple crayon. Great! This is an orange and purple butterfly. Now, let's draw a flower.
Oh, I can draw a flower. Look!
Wow, very good. But you forgot to draw on the paper.
Oops. Oh, I'm sorry, Violet.
No, it's okay. I like the flower. You did great. All right, class is now dismissed. Goodbye, Pink. Wow, with art, you really can create beauty anywhere. Do you want to try? Grab some paper and a pencil. Draw what I draw. Head, body. One wing. Two wings. One line. Two lines. Orange and purple. It's a butterfly. Beautiful. Drawing together is amazing.
ABC Mouse.